today's tutorial, and today is going to be social media design. It's going to be a quick one. Before I go further, I want to give a shout out to the original designer, because we'll be using most of the idea he used. That is Fortunatus designs. He was able to make this design, so we'll be modeling this. We'll just change one or few things, and without wasting much of your time, let's get straight ahead to the tutorial. So the first thing we want to do is we want to bring in this effect. We're going to be bringing this effect, so we have it like this. Then you want to spread it right about it. You use the default image size on PixelLab. Take this to the back. So once you've done that, you bring in the shape. And for this shape, we're going to go over to our color picker and we'll pick one of the color from the design. Let's say we pick this ones now. So you can see we bring this to the front. Now this box is now covering what we have on the as our background. So what we want to do, we want to reduce the opacity of this, so that effect will still be showing, not much. I think 70% is okay. We see what that feels. So what we'll do, we lock it. So we'll just change one or two things. Firstly, we'll be using a different image. So let me go over to my downloads. I will be making the resources available in the comments section. Just let me know if you're enjoying the tutorials, and also the direction you want us to take to help you improve in your design career, and see that even though you're starting with a smartphone, it's still not a limitation. So this is the image we'll be using. Like I say, we'll be using the concept. We'll just change one or two things. So let's say we use this. Let's lock this. Bring the flyer to the front, and we're going to bring in the logo. That is for Cubic Prints. That is the logo here, Cubic Print. So we're going to place it this way. Remember, if you don't know your alignment properly, then to use your grid lines. So then the first thing we'll put there is Happy Workers' Day. So we are starting with this one, so it's not overwhelming. As we go ahead, you'll be seeing much more of different kind of tutorials, but I want you to start with a very simple flyer that you can replicate in a matter of 10-15 minutes, depending on how good you are. So we'll be using a Montserrat font for this. However, we'll highlight the Workers' Day and want to make it bold, so we'll be using a bolder version of the Montserrat font. So let's go and use Montserrat bold. Let's see Montserrat bold if it's available, which I believe it should be. Montserrat bold. Thank you. So we've been able to highlight the Workers' Day now. Alright, so we've done that. Then we want to copy this. Then we're going to write the welcome to May, or let's change the month. Welcome to November, and we're going to change the font, and the font we'll be using here is Burning Heart. So this is the font we'll be using. Remember, we just want to change one or two things. The original design is by Fortunatus, so we want to use the same concept. However, because we are modeling and we're not copying everything verbatim, we'll just change one or two things. Now what is remaining for us to do based on this is we'll still copy this, and we'll put in the Cubic Print. What did they write there? Cubic Print Africa. Cubic Print Africa. No, Africa. Like this. We'll change the font to just make it only Montserrat. So you would have it somewhere like this. The size, let's reduce the size. Then we'll copy this. What we do now is you just type in I. Then you must have downloaded this font. It's called Social Cycle, which you can use to put in social media account. And since it's I, what we'll be putting there is Instagram. So you have this to be like this. You want to increase the size. $35. And we are almost done. There's just one more thing I want us to do. Then we'll copy this. Let's reduce this. Just one more thing we need to do. Bring this to the front. I want this to be a quick one and very easy. What you can do in a short time, like I made mention. Copy this. So now what you will do is delete from here. We just want this well to be seen. Then we want to increase this. Increase it very well. We just want to add one more effect, and when you see it, you're gonna understand. So let me see. It seems kind of too much. Let me see what this is. Okay. So now we have it like this. Then the color, we want it to be a little bit darker, just to add some effect. So we want it to be a little bit darker. Thank you. And we'll just have it there. Leave it there. You just lock it. Then you bring every other thing to the front. Bring this 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 to the front. And the image. Bring it to the front. So we just want to have that little feel of the background being different. So with that, we've come to the end of the tutorial. It's a very quick one. You can do this in under 10 minutes. I want you to do that and also submit. Then let me know, what is that one thing you learned from this tutorial? Was it easy? Was it a quick one also for you? And I will see you in our tutorial tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you.